Hello, everyone, and welcome to this fascinating exploration into the world of rare black gemstones. Today, we're going deep into one of the most mysterious and highly valued categories of gems. Stones so dark, so unique, and so powerful in appearance that some of them have sold for tens of thousands of dollars, and others have reached prices in the millions throughout history. Black gemstones have always carried an air of mystery. Unlike colorful stones such as emerald or ruby, black stones express strength, elegance, rarity, and depth. In many cultures, black gems were believed to protect warriors, attract good fortune, and absorb negative energy. But beyond the legends and symbolism, some of these dark stones are among the rarest and most valuable minerals on Earth. Let's start with one of the most incredible black gems, the black diamond, also known as carbonado. These diamonds are extremely rare and unlike any other diamonds you may have seen. They are formed differently, have a unique porous structure, and according to scientific studies, some researchers believe they may have come from meteor impacts or even outer space. High-quality black diamonds can reach $30,000, and some historical black diamonds have sold for much more. For example, the famous Black Orlov diamond, weighing over 67 carats, became legendary and reached millions in value during auctions. Black diamonds are not only rare, they are scientifically fascinating and extremely durable. Another valuable gemstone is black jade, especially the rare variety known as imperial black jade. This stone is highly prized in China, New Zealand, and parts of the Pacific. It was once worn by kings and spiritual leaders, symbolizing power and protection. High-quality black jade pieces can be very expensive, especially when carved by master artists. The darker and more pure the stone, the higher its price. We also have the stunning black sapphire. While blue sapphire is famous worldwide, black sapphire has a unique appearance, smooth, reflective, and doubly opaque. It is found in countries like Australia, Thailand, and parts of Africa. Exceptional stones can sell for thousands of dollars depending on clarity, weight, and polish. Historically, black sapphires were believed to protect travelers and were worn by nobles for centuries. Another remarkable gemstone is black spinel, a naturally occurring mineral that is extremely rare in its pure black form. Unlike synthetic stones, natural black spinel has a clean, mirror-like shine and high durability. Collectors value it because it is 100% natural and not treated. Historically, many royals were unknowingly wearing black spinel thinking it was another stone, which makes it even more mysterious and desirable. One of the most expensive black gemstones in history is the black opal. These gems are breathtaking, showing flashes of red, green, blue, and purple fire inside the darkness of the stone. The rarest black opals come from Lightning Ridge in Australia, and some of them have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars, even crossing into the millions. The combination of dark body color and dazzling internal fire makes black opal one of the most valuable gems ever discovered. Another stone worth mentioning is onyx, known since ancient civilizations. While most onyx stones are affordable, some historical artifacts and polished pieces have been auctioned for extremely high prices due to age, craftsmanship, and cultural significance. Now, when it comes to searching for black gemstones, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, understand the geology of your area. Black gems often form in volcanic or metamorphic environments. Look for basalt formations, volcanic rock, riverbeds, and areas known for gemstone activity. Tools such as a rock hammer, a loupe, and a good mineral guide can make a huge difference in identifying real stones. Pay attention to texture, hardness, shine, and crystal structure. Black gemstones are also heavily faked in the market. Dyed stones, synthetic materials, and treated rocks are everywhere. So always study the characteristics of each gem carefully. For example, natural black diamonds have tiny pores and a matte surface before polishing. Black opal reflects fire from inside the stone, not on the surface. Black jade feels denser and colder than most stones. Learning these details will help you avoid scams and recognize real value. And remember, the thrill of gemstone hunting isn't only in finding something expensive. It's in the journey, the learning, and the excitement of uncovering natural treasures formed millions of years ago. Every stone you discover has a story, a history written by the earth itself. So if you're passionate about gemstones, keep exploring. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to follow your curiosity into nature. You might be surprised at what you can find, maybe even a rare black stone worth thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this exploration into rare black gemstones, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring more educational and inspiring content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.